This is our first time coming back and like actually knowing that our house burned down.
We had to get out. We left our vehicle, and myself, my wife, and our 5 kids, we all got in the ocean. We found a floating board that we hung on to, and everything we were out there floating. And it was just so surreal, and everything was burning around, explosions, cars blowing up, like embers and flying. We couldn't breathe. The ocean almost swept my kids away a few times.
This is going to go on for a while. This is going to take years to recover. And it just breaks my heart that all the history from back in the whaling days of the 1800s, dust, ash and dust.
Behind the town is hollowed sacred ground right now because our iwi are in that ground. We have to get them out.